Hi guys, today I will explain how to contact Clipchamp Customer Support. This process is really simple and easy, and for this you have to open your application and open a project. As you can see, I already do all these things. The next thing is for contacting with the customer support of Clipchamp. You have to sign in your account because if you do not sign in, then you cannot contact with their customer support because they will contact to you through your email address. So now, in order to contact with them, take a look on the right top, you will see multiple options from these. You have to select on this option. Once you will select here, you will see multiple options like give a compliment, report a problem, or make a suggestion like I want to contact with the customer support. So I will report a problem. So I will click on it, and here I need to write my problem, which I am facing. And here you will see few things include a screenshot, include a screen recording, or upload a file, so it will be better if you do any of these three. Then tap on this option, Yes. May we contact you about your feedback, and click on the option Yes. Then this submit option will enable, and then click on it. Then problem will be submitted, and they will contact with you on your email address, by which you signed in your account in Clipchamp. And it was the way by which you can do it quickly.